Look at there it is.
Two A380s going to the same destination. The race to Seoul in South Korea happening in front of LA Flights Live. Let me know what you think of that. Let's do something incredible. 3,380 likes before the departure of Korean. Go for it. Hit that like button if you are enjoying the A380 action on LA Flights Live.
Yeah, look at that. Just like olden days.
Delta 326, you can find Alpha Alpha. Just stay on the runway. I'll have that turn for you in just a moment. Staying on the runway, landing Alpha Alpha. Delta 326.
There goes the first one.
You can start making that left turn now at Alpha Alpha.
Josh, when you can, let's go to the Korean.
And cross runway 24 left.
Joshua panning the camera faster than the speed of light. Here comes the second one. The thumbnail, the highlight of the day was both of them in the same shot.
Thanks for your help. Echo point 65 anytime, Double A380, good day. Asiana 201 Super, contact SoCal departure. SoCal departure, Asiana for the rush for Rudy.
The race to South Korea, my friends. What do you think about this? Happening in front of LA Flights Live.
Got 5548, continues following the final.
Remember, we are trying to do something incredible. 3,380 likes. We are roughly 250 likes away. Roughly 250 likes away. The goal for the next few minutes, I think next few seconds, 3,380 likes. If you haven't done so, we will need every single one of your help. Every single one of you watching, we're gonna need your help. Korean gets a move on. The sound is going up. Give us a few seconds, we will zoom in to the Super A380. What do you think of the past 20 minutes here on LA Flights? LA Flights Live with Peter and Joshua. I took several pictures. I'll post them on the social media accounts. The race to South Korea happens in front of LA Flights. So close. 20 more likes until the incredible goal of 3,380 likes. Only 20. Only 20 to go. Joshua, you know Asiana, you know where Asiana is?
Where?
It's on the right side of the palm tree. You want to go for it?
It's going to be a little hard.
Let's see, Joshua will do his absolute best. There it is. It's the race
wow,
of the
look
supers.
at that. That's, talk about back-to-back.
Joshua doing his absolute best to keep it zoomed in and steady for all of you. There goes Asiana. Now let's go to Korean.
Let's try to get both of them.
Okay, both of them.
There it is. Both of them.
Amazing shot.
What a shot.
There's both of them.
Highlight of the year so far.